the song 18 Cigarettes. Got a cool chord progression. The intro is G, E minor, G, B minor, A minor. Okay, and we're playing B minor just like the A minor, but we're playing it at the 3rd fret. And we're playing basically D to the high E. And that's the intro. When it repeats, G, E minor, G, B minor, A minor, and then we go into the verse. Verse is just a simplified version of that. We just go G, E minor, B minor, A minor, G, E minor, B minor, A minor. Does that until we get to that part, which is like a pre-chorus. So we're on the A minor, right, coming out of the verse. We go back to the B minor. Rest again over the line. So B minor, A minor, G. Then we go D, C, G. We repeat the first part. B minor, A minor, G. We end on A minor. Lock and key. Chorus. Chorus is G, E minor. Now we go to a C. And then we end on a B minor. Do explain. It's not your problem. I've been in a C, B minor. At the end of the chorus, when we go to the B minor, we stay there. And we go back to a C minor, or C major. And then we go back into the verse. So it's a lot of the same chords, just with variations. I believe the song is in the key of C. Alright, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.